Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type c : and hit enter to execute the command. Now we need to type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type in cd space c : / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Type bcd edit space /export space c : / bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c : /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type ren space c : /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.